What's up, sneaker fam? It's Footprints, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of overspray on nubuck, just in case you get some paint on your sneakers after doing a paint job. So to get the paint off, it's pretty simple. All you're going to need is some dish detergent. Like I'm using palm olive. It doesn't matter what color it is, just as long as it's original dish soap or dish detergent. So next up, I'm gonna get a soft bristle toothbrush, and I'm just gonna spread around the soap and spread the paint around a bit. And then I'm gonna follow up with a hard bristle toothbrush. This is a smoker's brush, so the bristles on it are very, very hard. So just be careful when you're brushing with this. Then after that, I'm gonna follow up with a credit card, and we're gonna kind of like squeegee the paint out of the nubuck. So you can use the round side of the card for certain edges, and you can use the flat side as well, and just scrape as much of the paint out of the nubuck as possible. And after you're done, if there's still more paint in there, just keep transitioning back and forth between your soft brush and the hard brush, and then use the credit card again until all the paint is gone. And here are the final results. Footprints, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in reglues and patent leather repairs, and I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well. I have a special suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer that's available, and I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned, and thank you again.